Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to discuss about few more scenarios or examples related to DatePipe for custom date modification. Okay, so we are going to discuss about some new formats that we can use to customize the date with the help of Angular DatePipe. But before we proceed further with this session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic, because for time being we are just mainly focusing on how to use Angular and Angular DatePipe. Okay, alright, so let's go further with this session, and we are going to proceed in the same way. Firstly, I'll explain you the requirement, like what modules we need to import, what variables we need to define. After that, we will write the logic from scratch, and I'll explain you each and every line that we are going to write. And after that, we will also use the output screen to verify the concept. Okay, alright, so let's get started. So firstly, you need to open this app.component.ts file, where we have one import section, and in this section like we put the name of the module which we are going to use. Okay, so we all know that for DatePipe we need one module, that is common module. So I will just simply write here common module. So once you write common module here, it will automatically add this line, that is that means the common module is successfully imported in the application. And here, like you can see, if you take your mouse cursor on this common module, you will find that this is the module that export all the basic Angular directives and pipes, and we need the DatePipe, so it also comes with the this Angular. Okay, fine, so this is ready. Now next, what we are going to do, we are going to add one variable here. So you just need to write here currentDate colon, and then we will write here capital date equal new date of. Perfect. So what this line will do, it will store the current date into the current date variable. And why do we need this? We just need it for performing some operations, right? So yeah, we are good with this ts file. Now we can go to app.component.html, where we can see we have Angular 19 course by Sharmit. So just simply write here h2. In h2 we will write Angular DatePipe. After a pipe, we will give here the formats that we are going to learn today. So first format is HKHHM, SS and A, and the second is Y-MM-DD, then HKHHM and SS. Perfect. So this thing we are going to discuss in this particular session. So let's verify the heading first, like if it is coming properly or not. So save it, and we will run here application ngserve -open. Wait for a few seconds and it will show you the output. So we have got this browser with the output, which is Angular 19 course by Sharmit and SSAA, and the format that we want to learn. Perfect. Now after this, what we will be doing, we will simply print the date as it is without any modification. Okay, so let's add here a p tag, where we will write current date without Angular pipe. So firstly we are using it without any kind of pipe, then colon, then double curly braces, where we will write current date pipe, then date colon, and inside this we will write, okay, firstly like we will not apply any pipe. Okay, so we will just show the output. So this is the thing. Now you can see the output. It is showing the current date without Angular pipe, Saturday, July 26, 2025, 8:48:17 GMT plus 05:30 Indian Standard Time. So this is the value that we have got. Now next what we are going to do, we are going to perform the date conversion operation with the help of DatePipe, and we are going to learn about these things. So for that you just need to write here p tag, then we'll write current date, and inside this we will write the format which is HH colon mm colon SS and A. Then we will write here colon double curly braces where we will write current date pipe date colon, then double inside single quotes we will write HH mm SS and A. Now you can save it and refresh it. So after a refresh you will find that 8:49:21 AM is populated on the screen, because with here like small h's is representing the hours, small representing the minute, then we have ss which is representing the seconds, and after that we have a which is denoting am or pm. So if you are seeing this in the morning you will find the am, and if you are seeing this in evening then you will find it as a pm. Okay, it depends on the situation. In fact, if I refresh the screen you will see that things are changing. Right now it is 8:58, then if you refresh it it's 8:50:12. okay, because we are referring the current time, and that is why it is happening. Okay, so I think with this we are good. Now we can see the next example that is bit confusing for some persons, so don't worry, I'll explain you. You just need to write here p, then we will write here current date. Inside this we will put the format that is y hyphen mm hyphen dd space hh colon mm colon ss. okay, now you can write here colon, and after a colon you will use double curly braces where we will write current date then colon, then we will write here the format in the same way, so small y comma hyphen mm hyphen dd hh mm and ss. Now save it and refresh it. So after a refresh you will find that 2025 7:26 8:51:04 is populated here, and I think AM PM is not coming because we have not used it, right? If you want AM PM, so you can write here A as well. It's not only for AM, it's for A, so don't get confused between. That means for PM don't think that it will go with P. You have to use A only, and it will automatically decide whether it's AM or PM as per the time. Okay, but in short you can see here we have got the values, and what will happen if we use here small 2y's. So in this case it will show you the 25, not the 2025. okay, and always make sure that whatever value you are using, check its case, because this is completely case sensitive. So if you are writing something with capital M, it is completely different from small m. If you are writing something in a small m, then it is completely different from the capital M. So it's a vice versa thing. So always make sure that you are using the same case as per the requirement. Okay, so these are the all custom formats that we have discussed so far, and I think most of the commonly used we have already discussed, and in next session maybe we can summarize all these formats in a way that if any other situation is there for you, so you can simply relate it with and you can use it. Okay, so yeah, and meanwhile, if you have any queries, questions or suggestions related to this session or any other session or any plan for the upcoming session, so you can suggest me in the comment section, because once you comment down your thoughts, it will also help me to reach to the wider learners like you. So please keep sharing your comments, and your feedback is very important. So yeah, That's all for today. See you in the next session with new topics. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.